A problem was detected with TrueDepth Camera and your Face ID has been disabled? Don't worry, we have solution for this problem as we have brought you some simple tricks and tips on how we can fix that. Firstly, go on Settings. Now scroll down and tap on the option called General. Now go and tap on Software Update to make sure to see that your software is continuously updated. Sometimes your phone can create issues when your software is not updated. Now similarly, what you can do is you can go back to General, scroll down on your screen, and tap on the option called Transfer or Reset iPhone. Go and tap on Reset, and make sure to tap on Reset All Settings to reset all of your settings on your phone so that all of your settings can be refreshed and rebooted. Another solution for you is to go on Settings, scroll down on your screen, and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Once you open this setting, make sure that all of the toggles are on this option, as it is one of the important part to fix this problem. Scroll down again and make sure that all of the toggles are on or not. If it is on, then some of your problems is automatically fixed. Another thing to fix this issue, what you can do is you can go and tap on Erase Data, as it will automatically erase all of your data after 10 attempts of your password. In this way, a problem that was detected in your TrueDepth camera can be easily solved. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.